What's your opinion on the vote buying culture in Jamaica?
Vote buying. I have no opinion on vote buying
Alright.
because nobody can buy my vote.
Nobody can buy your vote.
Mm.
Okay, okay. So even if say a MP come to you, right, and him offer you something where you and your family are gonna benefit from, you wouldn't take it.
No,
Why not? Why not?
because me,
You're not gonna benefit the country.
it not gonna benefit, and then at the end of the day, me love my party. Nobody can buy me out from my party. Not at all can get the change from my party. So the vote buying now gonna help me.
So what if your party not perform though?
And if you not perform, me still gonna stick to my party because guess what? Me a vote all these years and me never tell no politician thanks before. And me still voting. So it's
So
not about not
when
buying.
you vote for them and them not deliver though, you cost them or you just work with it.
Me work with it.
That
Still
can't
work with
work
it.
though. Then how we are gonna get better?
Better go come someday.
That's why me believe so we vote out each and everybody till the one
Yeah,
come
but
we
guess
get
what
it
now?
right.
If green not go on good, me a go go on red. And if red not go on good, me a go tap vote.
Okay, so if
Because somebody have to step up.
alright, so if red I give you 100,000 for your vote, what you would do?
Me not go take it.
Nah, go take it.
Cause green me say right through.
Alright.